Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To show many lists in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Under the Lists heading in the menu that appears are links for all lists, products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, custom fields, and tags. Lists keep information about the items you enter into transaction forms. After adding an item to a list, you can use it repeatedly in transactions. To show the Lists page, click the All Lists link. Doing this opens the Lists page, which contains links to many common lists, including the chart of accounts, recurring transactions, products and services, product categories, price rules, locations, custom form styles if using the old invoice layout, payment methods, terms, classes, attachments, tags, and custom fields. There is a description of each list under its title. To open the related list page, click its list link. Clicking the Other Links under the Lists heading in the Settings button's drop-down menu for products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, custom fields, or tags directly opens the related lists page.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.